Hello, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see how we are going to get the towns and city names for the study area, so that we can have something like this. What we have those names on it, how it comes about. This is what we are going to be using Google Earth. We open the Google Earth from where we stop, then double click on this study area map. It's going to zoom it out to you. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Allow it to load. While it's loading on these places, click on it and right click folder, you call it towns. Call it towns. Then you click OK. Now you see them. Now I'm going to open that image. Then let me open the Google Earth so that I can split it. Okay. So maybe can do Kumeri Ejiro and those ones. So we need to name this. So town is selected and click on this. Then we need to name this one. Okay. Messi. Then you click, you move it. Yeah. Then Edo Ikiti. Click here. Edo Ikiti. Ikiti. To go back, then we have Ejero. This one, Igero. Then you move this, you click and drag to move it, and release the mouse button, then click OK. Then we have Oyo Afaki. Oyo and Afaki, these two. Okay. Then Afaki. Ifaki. India. Then Aramako, and this one Aramako, Aramoko. Check this spelling mistake. Arako. Then this is this, and click on this. Then Iworoko. Kare. Let's come Ikare and Ibare. These two sides. Igbara. Okay. Ikare. We have this. Then we'll go back and check. Kare Ado Ikiti. We have Ado Ikiti here. Ado Ikiti. What we have in the center points, there's one. AWE AKT. Then we're done with this one. Odo. We have this Odo, Ibara Odo, Ibara Odo, Aba Odo, Erishi Ijasa, this one, Erin Ijasa, Ijasa. So we have those towns right here. All you need to do is to click on these towns, cross check for the names if there is no spelling mistake. So click on the name, save places as. Now go back to this, our Google Earth, that will now call it towns, save its towns. It is safe, you can close. Then we have this one, close. Then go to QGIS, layer, data management source, vector, click here. See, we have the towns. Add this. Then this, I click export, save features as, share files. Go there, share files. The towns. Save. Then OK. Remove this layer. Click on this question mark, change it to geographic. Now this is what we have. So those are the towns. If we double click on them, labels, single labels. Let's see whether the names will come up. Then I applied OK. The names are there. Reset, then I'll close it. Then we'll now go to the ArcGIS and open those project files created. The RHP for the radiometrics. All you need to do is to come here, I've added the scale bar, add data, share file, you can see the towns, add, click OK. Then click on this dot, then this symbol, I've saved one. Now come up here. Select this one triangle, get around 9. Then click on the names, towns. Go to labels, the symbol. They have select layout. What you can check my previous course on ice montage on aeromagnetic tab. I've covered all these things. You can check it there. They are my other course. Then we'll change this one to, let's say, 11. Then apply, then OK. See the towns are there. So kind of click on this. Then go to general. So you can remove towns here because of space. Then apply, then OK. And this is what we have. Then we can come back, export. Press on this, save. Yes. Then we'll go back to this. Then we do the images, radiometrics, images. This one. So you can see those, we have them shown up. So that's how the names are. Okay, so those names are there. So you have to move them up so that they will show. Then save, then export. Then select this one, save. So you can clear this one. You can see it. So everything here is set. So now we can add another legend bar here by the side. Set legend. Remove this one. Remove this one. Then next. Then remove this. Next. Finish. Then move this one here. We'll click on it. Items, select all. 10. Apply, then OK. Hold the shift key, then this, then that's what you do. Then click save. Then export map. Place this, that's all. So this is what we have. So those are the towns we have, or cities. So this is what we have. Then we can do also the same thing to the other ones. Maps, the heat flow. Same thing, you can do it here. Then this add data, then towns. Okay. Click on this triangle 9. So towns. Click on this, then check this one to 11. Apply OK. Click on this. Move towns. Apply, then OK. Then insert legend. Follow the same method. Remove this L. So we go to create space. Remove this space. Then click next. Then click on it. Items, select all, then 10. Click apply, then OK. So you see this how it's done. Export map. Heat flow. Save. Yes. So this is what we have. You can do the same thing for the Curie depth map.